Assalamualaikum dear students of class 4. We are on a new chapter that is our climate. In our daily routine we talked about our daily weather, that today weather is very hot, either it is cold, humid, rainy, cloudy, stormy, etc. Now what is climate? The climate is the common average weather condition at a particular place over a long period of time. If we talk about a place, country or a continent, and what usually the climate stay over there in a seasonal form, that is not for the short period, that is for the long period. Means Pakistan have a variety of climate, means there is summer, winter, autumn, spring over here. Usually the climate in the Africa is very hot. Yes, this is what the climate is. Now let's see further. Weather. What is weather? Weather is a condition of an atmosphere at a particular time and place. Weather can be changed in an hour, in a day, in minutes also. Alright, every day the weather changes. Like on Saturday the weather was very rainy, Sunday it was partly cloudy and sunny, Monday it was a drizzling, Tuesday again it was a drizzling, and Wednesday it was quite sunny. Weather changes every day and climate stays for a long period of time. What is the difference between the weather and climate? You must be getting it. Weather patterns of a particular place over a long period. Yes, that is climate. Short-term condition of the atmosphere at a particular place. That is weather. Measured over a long period of time. Measured over a short period of time. Affected by climate system as well as altitude and latitude. Altitude and latitudes are the imaginary line on the earth which tell us about the equator. Effective temperature, air pressure and atmosphere, etc. Students, remember, this column is climate and this column is weather. Forecast by collective weather status over a long period of time. Forecast by collecting the meteorological data. Climate is basically a collection of weather. If we talk about the short time, that is weather. If we talk about the long time, that is climate. The study of climate is called climatology, and the people who study climate are called climatologists. The study of weather is called meteorology, and the people who study meteorology are called meteorologists. Now, we need to think what instrument that the climatologists and meteorologists used to tell us about what the weather and how the weather is going to be. Instrument used in climatology. Number 1 is satellite orbit the earth to record the weather. They send the data regularly. Satellite is a machine outside the earth orbit, outside the earth, which give us information where the clouds are, where the storm are coming, how the weather of a climate is going to be at what place. Satellite is very important for climatologists. Secondly, hygrometers measure the humidity in the atmosphere. This machine tells us how much the humidity in the atmosphere is. If the humidity is a lot, the needles go up high on the scale, it means it's going to be raining. As you have observed, the weather is get humid, hops before the rains go. The wind stops and the humid occurs. Barometer pressure, the pressure in the atmosphere. Barometer, what the barometers do? Barometers, this is a barometer machine. It measures the pressure of the air in the atmosphere. In the same way, we have thermometer. Usually it is used to check the temperature, how much the temperature is, either it is hot or cold. Through the Celsius and the Fahrenheit, it tells us about the temperature of a place. So review this video very carefully. So we will move more further to our next topic of this chapter. We will discuss about the climate of Pakistan.